All right, so I'm finally going to be selling my 1990. I believe it's light. It's either light titanium or light dark titanium. I don't know. It's a weird name. I'm having issues trying to find the name of it and the exact paint code. I don't know. But anyway, I would say the exterior is about a 9 out of 10. Obviously, it's got the common fading in the front right here. It's got OEM headlights, which actually still look pretty good. But yeah, it's got the fading in the front right there. You know, that's typical for Foxbodies. And then, you know, it's got little minor scuffs along the bumper. It's got one there, and then like a little sticker that was there right there, and that's pretty, oh, and then one here. The exterior I would say is like a 9 out of 10. It's got some pretty clean Starfish wheels with newer tires, Cobra brakes in the front, 5-lug drums in the rear, upper and lower control arms with torque boxes look pretty much perfect. Orange Konis all around. It's got upper and lower control arms, the grip, max grip or whatever from BBK, red Eibach lowering springs. It's got a, I can't remember the brand, but it's got a full catback. It's got a high flow X pipe, aftermarket high flow X pipe with high flow cats, and it still passes legit smog in California. I think the smog is still good for another few weeks. I'm not 100% sure, but it did pass legit smog. If that's an issue, I can arrange that. 13-inch Cobra brakes in the front. Engine is pretty much stock. It's got a thicker aluminum radiator. It's got brand new spark plugs and spark plug cables, and cap and rotor and stuff like that. I just did a tune-up, oil change and stuff. It's got a high flow air filter. That's it, really nothing there. 373 gears in the rear with a recently rebuilt rear end. Just a stock rebuild rear end, nothing fancy with 373s. No grinds or hums or no noises at all from the rear end or the transmission or anything like that. It's actually a pretty damn clean car. No tint. I don't think it's ever had tint. I didn't want to do the tint thing on here. If I did, I was probably gonna do the Invisalign or the crystalline stuff. Interior's pretty damn clean. The carpet's pretty much perfect. No stains or anything like that. It's getting kind of dark out here. It reads 26,000 on the dash, probably 126, maybe 26 if you want to believe that. I need to pop those little bolts back in here, so that's why it's like that, but I'll fix that. AC works good. It's really cold. The AC's cold. Heater works. No leaks or anything that I know of. It's got these reupholstered, I guess like Terminator style Foxbody mixed seats, front and rear matching, brand new carpet, armrest delete. The back is pretty much perfect, not missing anything. I would say the interior is a 10 out of 10 because I don't really find any burns or stains or anything like that. It's got an OEM headliner that looks pretty much new. I wouldn't say there's anything wrong with the interior. I'd say it's pretty much perfect. It's got a Hirsch short shifter, and then it's got all brand new speakers on the inside. I'm gonna try and get these if I can get them from LMR. So that's one thing that it's, you know, they're broken. These little seatbelt holster things, I think on both sides are broken, so that's not a big deal. They're like, I don't know, 20, 30 bucks or something like that. So yeah, there it is. I'm gonna post it up for sale probably on my Instagram or something. So if anybody wants to see the car, want to see videos or, you know, very precise photos of it, I can just send them this video, and that's the point of it. So there it is. I'm really not trying to ship it anywhere, but if you want to arrange that and you can figure out how to pay me cash, I don't want any trades, I don't want any other cars. I have started it all day, so that was a cold start. I just did a cold start on it right now, but my damn camera cut off, so hopefully I'll be able to still crop that video in. Not really loud at all. It's a stock Mustang. It just has some mufflers and whatnot. Always idles back down as it should. Oh, fireworks are starting.